Hey, let's take a couple of seconds and talk about what's going to happen when you click the Join Today button. Now, the first thing I want to remind you of is that the phone app is where we capture transactions, take a picture of the check, receipt. The web browser, any web browser, is where you get in to look at your spreadsheet and your source documents. Okay, so let's pretend we just click Join Today. A small, easy dialog box comes up showing you what the steps are going to be, but here's what it amounts to. You'll enter your mobile phone number so that we can send the app to your phone for capturing transactions. Tell us what kind of business you are, how big you are, what type of business, a little bit about yourself, and all that's necessary, or this is not accurate accounting. Okay, now, the next thing is when you click the next page, it's going to say create a password. So create something simple that you're going to remember, and you're done. The next page will show you what to expect. There are 6 simple things that are going to happen very quickly. Let me tell you what they are. You'll get a text with a link for your customized version of Autokept. Click that. It'll take you right to the appropriate download store. Get the app onto your phone. When it pops up, click the Autokept icon, and the first thing you're going to be asked for is your email address and a password. And it's the same password that you created a few minutes ago. As soon as you do that, the software will load, and the first time it comes up, it's going to say, welcome, let's get started. At the bottom, click that because you'll see a short 1-minute video on how to record money going out. That'll be your first training video of a series that we'll send you so you know exactly how to use Autokept over the year. So click Join Today now. Thank you.